In 1978, Governor Hunt first started thinking about the idea of building a ship to celebrate America's 400th anniversary. And a committee was formed, a statewide committee, and there was lots of discussion about where to build the ship, how to build it, who should build it, and eventually it was decided that it should be built in Manteo. It was built where many other boats have been built over the years. George Washington Creef had a boathouse on the waterfront and built shad boats all the way up to four-masted schooners in the 1800s, and the Elizabeth II was built on that same site. The challenge there was that there are no plans, and so that's why we're always very careful to say she is a representative 16th century ship. So they had to do research about the types of ships that would have been built then without having the benefit of actual plans. There were viewing stands set up. People would take their lunch breaks down there and watch her being built. Tourists would visit. It was a great attraction, not only for locals, but for visitors. One of the dilemmas about building the ship here was that people from across the state said that Manteo was not a fitting place to build or berth the ship because its downtown was dilapidated. It was basically a dying town. Everything had moved to the highway. And so that was when Arab mayor at the time, John Wilson, working with Governor James Hunt and Senator Mark Bass-Knight, used that as an opportunity to not only celebrate America's 400th anniversary, but also to revitalize the town of Manteo. So it went from hardly any shops, nobody really lived downtown on the actual waterfront, to being the town that you see today.